presentation on entrepreneurial culture by Vidyadhar Hegde S, Assistant Professor, Department of Postgraduate Studies in Commerce, MPM Government First Aid College, Karkala, Mangalore University. Before discussing the meaning of entrepreneurial culture, it is better to know something about culture. Culture is an umbrella term which encompasses the social behavior and norms found in human societies, as well as the knowledge, beliefs, arts, laws, customs, capabilities, and habits of individuals in this group. In short, culture is the sum total of social behavior that includes at least three elements, namely knowledge and beliefs, ideals, and preferences. Entrepreneurial culture implies vision, values, norms, and traits that are conducive for the development of the economy. The emerging market environment and globalization is challenging every organization and every person in the organization to consider, evaluate, and bring out the changes in the thinking, vision, and action. Now, we shall look into the nature of culture. Nature of culture consists of basic beliefs and assumptions about the company or organization, emotional aspects of human beings in the society and community, reflect history, means how people wish to express ideas, feelings, emotions, etc. Inherently symbolic, means actions and expressions in a way that exists as a natural or basic part of something in the society. It also includes substance and form. The principle that what actually happens or is actually done may be different from and sometimes more important than legal and technical aspects. Now we shall discuss about components of culture. Culture is the complex and consists of various practices, customs, rituals observed by people in the society and been followed at least by three generations. And it consists of one values, mean the principles or standards that help you to decide what is right and wrong and how to act in various situations. Two, rules of conduct, which is similar to code of conduct or guidelines for action. Third one, vocabulary, means a sum or stock of words employed by a language, group of individual or work in a field of knowledge. Fourth one, methodology. Methodology is a body of methods, rules, and postulates employed by society or community. Fifth one, rituals. Ritual is a religious service or other ceremony which involves a series of actions performed in a particular manner or order. Last one, myths and stories. A traditional or legendary story, usually concerning some persons or hero or an event, with or without a determinable basis of fact or a natural explanation for such event. Entrepreneurial culture implies a set of values, norms, and traits that are conducive to the growth of entrepreneurship in the country. It is the corporate culture that focuses on the emergence of new opportunities, the means of capitalizing on them, and the creation of the structure appropriate for pursuing them. Entrepreneurial culture should be differentiated from administrative culture. Administrative culture is the corporate culture which focuses on existing opportunities, organization structures, and control procedures. Elements of entrepreneurial culture includes the following. First one, people and empowerment focused. Entrepreneurial culture gives emphasis on people, and it is people centered, and it enables them to take and decide whatever they wish for their development and growth. Second one, value creation through innovations and change. Environmental, sorry, entrepreneurial culture enables constant research to find new thing or newness to the existing and to be flexible to adapt to the changing situations. Third one, attention to the basics. Entrepreneurial culture focuses on basic aspects of production and distribution of goods and services. Fourth one, hands-on management. Entrepreneurial culture consists of the stories of efficient, successful management, and it enables the prospective businessman to take the help of these successful managements. Fifth one, doing the right things. Entrepreneurial culture focuses on doing the right thing from the point of view of society and the nation, and enable them to be successful and efficient in their achievement and growth. Sixth one, freedom to grow and to fail. Entrepreneurial culture enable people to grow to the maximum as they wish, and also help them to learn from the failure they meet in their destination. Next one, commitment and personal responsibilities. Yes, entrepreneurial culture enables people to become highly committed and dedicated to their enterprise, and enable them to take more responsibilities in achieving their goal. Last one, the entrepreneurial culture emphasis on the future and a sense of urgency. Entrepreneurial culture helps people to decide about their future, and also enable them to earn and prosper as early as possible in their venture. Entrepreneurial culture can be better understood by considering its focus on individuals as well as group, as individualism versus collectivism. Individualism means idea that freedom of thought and action for each person is the most important quality of a society rather than shared effort and responsibility. Individualism is all about taking care of self. Individualism has these features: self orientation, emphasis on self efficiency and control, pursuit of individual goals, value system driven by pride in their own accomplishments. Next, collectivism. Collectivism is a theory or a system based on the principle that all of the farms, factories, and other places of work in a country should be owned by or for all the people in that country, and it has the features like group orientation, subordination of personal interest and goals to the interest of organization or the group, emphasis on sharing, concern for group welfare. The the entrepreneurial intensity is achieved by balance between individualism and collectivism. Let me explain how the culture can be constructed in this slide. This culture can be constructed with the, or by considering four variables or factors like value or a value system to the cognitive process of people or human being involved and their behavior, and fourth one, the organization process, the organization which they own or in which they employ. So values, as you know, it is already explained, the which is connected with the morality of a person, with which he decides that what is right and what is wrong. And the cognitive process of a person consists of the elements like ethics, values, beliefs, attitudes, etc. And it also consists of norms and rules of conduct. The behavior implies that how things are actually done, and in their action they express all those vocabulary which they learned in that particular set of culture. And when it comes to the organized process, where the various practices and that philosophy what the organization adopt as a profound influence on the construct of culture. Those factors like style of leadership, the organization structure, the level of empowerment, controls and rewards system, routine practices, rituals, what they practice, etc. Stories, symbols and myths. So these four process contributes for the construction of culture. Thank you.